I don't trust his ladder. What's that? Yeah, apparently. I was trying to take a picture from my phone. Oh, yeah.
I'm not built for this. Yeah. Dude, it could be grueling.
Two things.
Next stop is...
Yeah. How you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Life is good, man. No complaints.
I've actually had a really active day. I went for a super long... Yeah.
I don't know if this lab is like table already. We're just gonna flop it up against the wall.
That's what I did last time. I felt comfortable and sturdy. Oh, for sure. Yeah, I had a bike ride today. Weather's been beautiful. So it's been great. Okay, now we're good. The dugout. I love the dugout. The one on Virginia Ave? Yeah. No, I love how even when they remodeled, they kept the spirit of the other half and like
It's still the old school.
big blast from the point. Yeah, it's really nice to see because
Driven around. They go every time before the
it's really hard here at this angle right underneath you. There, I'm just like I don't know what to do.
I
dugouts.
figured it was gonna be terrible tonight, so I just grabbed some drinks and.
Would you? You're not playing?
No, we're next.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
I was at 2 before the game.
Two's a really good number. Two's a good number. That's what I
How can you do it? I'll let you go.
Some people are very strict against it. Some people love it. Some people insist on smoking weed before I start. People are very super suspicious. Everybody's got their own routines and what works for them. I will say it is good to get out of your head sometimes playing the game for sure. Just react on instinct. Nice keep. And, hey, we got a goal by number 4. Is that Darren Treves? That's Darren Treves. Big D. Oh yeah, dude, it's great. It's great to be a cheap date. I would say I would be on a 10, but yeah, same cost at the store, what have you. Little trip there. I see no water. Nice little handoff there. God, Rudy is so quick, but he was a collegiate athlete. And he's probably younger than both of us. Oh, here we go. We have an onside play. Who's going to get there first? Yeah, right? Imagine that. I could see it. Just, dude. Nice. Well, and what was he? He was a baseball player. I was a baseball player in high school. I didn't.
He's a soccer player too. I don't know if he
Soccer too? Holy cow! Alright, let's watch the play. There's Polimas over the line. He's good. Rip. Wide. I noticed that dude because he's a scary dude. I love the play with all the teams. Ooh, nice quick save. Really quick shot at the goal at the end. That'll make sure you're awake. All right, into the first period, 2-1. Heck yeah. What is this guy's face? See, I don't recognize him again. No, I like the PAX team. I like.
That's my team.
Yeah, I like.
They drafted the best, obviously. But like,
I was gonna say the Cryptids have a really sick team on paper, but I guess Brennan was saying they only have one W so far. But they got Parmley back tonight, so in my opinion, Parmley's good. He's good for.
but no, I mean like,
He'll be
obviously,
like
like Sterling is also one of the leading goal scorers in the league. So he's great. Like, they've got still in there.
Yeah, for sure. Like, obviously Darren, he's just a super dynamic forward, and he really can dangle us off like a damn puppeteer. But that's nuts. Just how quick some of these guys can change directions. It's tough to find a good angle. Playing defensive. I actually have an ice tournament coming up this week. Yeah. This weekend, I mean.
I wonder if you're ever going to jump back out here.
Yeah. Here,
Or at least on the rooftop.
maybe not. I would love to on the rooftop, but actually it sounds like it's coinciding with the disc golf league that I was hoping to get involved in. So we'll see how it goes. I would love to do a half and half. I don't even know what the time constraints are yet.
I don't know if Mark's going to join back the next whatever league or not, but
I would love that. I don't know.
I mean, he was like the reason he did such a good job like welcoming everybody and making.
No, for sure. Him and you and Jordan like really made me feel great right out of the gate, and really made me want to come back. Puck's still in,
That's what one of the guys said. He said he was like,
and there we have a goal.
but he was just saying like,
Big Frank just picking up garbage. Just a garbage man. He didn't even break a sweat scoring that goal. Tell Vito, 16. Is it 16 or 6? 6. Frankie's good at being right in the goalie's face, man. If I was a goalie, I would.
one of the leading goal scorers.
I would fear Frank. Frank is. Guy's been punched in the face. Guy's he's had teeth that have like fallen out of his head as a result of this score. Like dude's gritty as shit. So I mean, he's not afraid of going to the tough areas. That hit the top, we get a stoppage. Yeah, I mean that was unnecessary. Good call. Yeah, that looked like unnecessary roughness. I know. Who's this guy? 65.
Josh King. You know Josh King?
Is he the OG? Oh, he's the everything from the oh my gosh, he's back, Josh. Alright, ladies and gentlemen at home, if you're listening, get a good view for this guy King. I'm gonna zoom just because I was a referee here back in the day. This guy, you're gonna see him in the box. I just zoomed in, is that fun? Yeah, I really saw a lot of stuff. I get it. Kirk Sundstrom's a really physical player. And that doesn't surprise me one day a bit. I'm speaking with Nathan Miller here. Yeah, also a physical player. But I always say that, what you lack in talent, you can also make up in effort and physicality. The two things are a little bit different, but sometimes the line gets blurred. Here we go, big old breakout from Treves, but Rudy did a really good job boxing him out. I think he twisted and fell. I think he had a lot of momentum. He was going fast. Puck held in. Ziggy bats. Oh, nice deflection. Another one by Treves. Holy shit.
I'm not excited to play them later.
Dude. Big D. It doesn't stand for diarrhea. It's Darren Treves, number 4. what was I saying about the whole puppeteer comment? Like, guy can just like yank the puck on a stick, yank the ball on a stick. Can you imagine this guy on the ice with his acceleration and
sensitivity.
God, yeah, same.
That's what's so insane to me is like, he is here, and then there's guys that are levels. Like, it's just, I cannot even imagine if he had like an NHL player.
Well, for sure. But here's the great thing I think about this sport is your foot speed does separate you, and well, you're not kind of measuring up against the ice hockey blade. You know, who has more experience skating on ice with blades? That kind of thing is regional, right? But everybody's got a feet, everybody can rub. So this is a really neat way to equalize hockey ability, in my opinion. But yeah, Darren just has a vision.
Yeah.
Oh, nice steal by Rudy. Takeaway. He's onside. 86 is looking. We got a man in the high slot, low slot. Good shot. Just Boylan in the corner, dude. Just runs like a gazelle. He's been doing some races and stuff. I mean, our friends with this. He's just a runner. He likes it. He's one of those freaks that likes running. He accidentally ran 14. Holy cow. Holy cow. I was actually so the part of the reason I'm late is because I'm super tired. I went on a really big bike ride. I'm 40 years old and I feel great, but I'm gonna be slow now probably. Hell yeah. But it was nice, man. It was such killer weather. Held in 10. That was on net. Oh, we have a deflection. Still live, still loose. There goes Ziggy.
Capitalize on those goalie drops.
Ooh, Palimas redirected it just a tiny bit. Not on net though. Plenty of time to. Oh, good chip. This 86 is quick. You got a nice thing, Paul. Absolutely, dude. Say hey when you get a chance. Yeah, man. Hey, good hustle, man. Hey, it's Jake. Still in. Flicked out of play. Looks like we should have the face-off in here. Just wide. All the way down, deflected though. We'll wait for the ref's call on that one. Okay, we have an icing. Still live behind the net. Trees has it. Nice Hail Mary pass. Comes out with it. Onside. Ooh, nice breakaway by Betts. He stuns Lion. He's still there. Good defense by Lion. Breaks up another one. Breaks up Boylan. Oh, big save by 42. Nice. All right, we have a whistle. He's gonna continue to be a bitch. I remember you, motherfucker.
I have to keep playing like that. So I said,
Dude, I'm here for you. I'm here for you, bro. Rip it! Come on, send it, bro. Send it! There it is! Assist by King over to 66. All right. So my little interaction with Senor King, I was hoping to spur him into putting up statistics, and you know what? That happened really quickly. There he is. Welcome back, Mr. King. Nice assist. Nice job. Nice job. Put up those points, baby. Yeah, so I'm hoping to challenge Mr. King, see if he can really show us how to play this game. Really nice one-handed right there. Oh, good. Watch the body. All right, that was clean. Nice job, boys. Watch it, King. Watch that stick. Watch this guy, 65. He's a freak for violence. It's weird. Nice. Still in, still in. Stillman takes a high slot. There we go, dangling in. Still alive, still alive. Whistle. So those of you at home actually listening, I'm hoping to challenge this guy to just put up some points and play the game, and we'll see what you can do. Rather than run the mouth. We'll see what happens. Ooh, shot on net. We've got a call. Looks like it's on Kirk Sundstrom. He's gonna take the long walk to the box. The long walk to the box. Sorry, Kirk. I'm trying to frame it so this is a really long walk. Yeah, no, your sub can't come in. Here we go, back to the action. We're short-handed here. Power play! End of the first. End of the second. with those legs. This guy, those shorts. I love it. Here we are, intermission in between the second and third period here. We're going to start off with almost a 2-minute power play. We've got a penalty on number 22. See Blizzard getting pumped here. Power play! All right, we got our boy King taking the face-off, winning the face-off. Back to him. We have an onside play. Here we go. Short-handed. Opportunity here for the Blizzard. Nice rip from 66. Glove down by the goalie. This one. All right, let's see how our center fares here. Another win. Moving around dynamically, looking for the open player. Oh, just a near miss. Boylan in front of the net. We have someone available at point. Darren Treves with the puck. Here we have Ziggy in front. Chris Boylan passes to Ziggy. No, denied. Deflected just a little bit wide. Treves slips a little bit. Looks like we're going to have an opportunity to clear. We do. Goalie gloves it down. But we do have a race in the corner. No offside play. A lot of energy burnt, that's for sure. All right, Ziggy Best passes over to Trees. Nice effort. 3-on-3 play here until everyone catches up. Glove down by the goalie. Listen. Referee Alex Best dropping the puck here to Frankie Talvito. Ooh! 2 seconds left in the power play. Even strength, even strength. Goes up high. Stop it. Still to Kathy. The deflection contained by Sundstrom, intercepted by Stillman. Rip deep. Goalie gloves it down. It's kept live. Nice. Still live. It is now offside play, but we have no icing call. offside. Flipped out of play. Here he is making a big rush. Tag up. That freezes. Quick little play. 7:06 left in the third to play. Score of 5-1. Whiffed on the play, but that's why, because he was hooked by Frankie Telvito. Frankie Telvito, number 6, going to the box. Big Frank taking his sweet time, go to the box. But you know what? This is a stroll he's taken a couple times. Frank, we love you, bro. 2 minutes. Let's go! Ooh, nice rip man. Just wide of the net. Controlled by Ziggy. Nice play. No! Whack deep. We have no icing call on the play. Enabling his teammates to get a line change. Trees back on the ice. Rudy Line controlling the puck here. Just past the Sunstrom. So onside, offside. Let's see if they. Alright, yeah, they gain clean entry to the zone. Deflected. Ooh, that looked like it was close. Couldn't see it quite from this angle, but I feel like it was right hovering around the goal line. I thought there might be a little blue peeking around, and turns out there was. Big D, Big D. We got 2-5 score here. Frankie Telvito out of the box. We got our. What a homecoming. This is so surreal. No goal call on the ice. We will remain at 1-5. We'll have a face-off deep in the Blizzard zone. And that's that. That's what Big Bet says to say.
Hey, nothing up the middle.
Stop clock, 4 minutes left in the third. 4:14. Let's drop it. Let's drop that puck. There we go. We got the okay from Betts. Connor. Ooh. Nice play by Rudy. Looking in the high slot. No such luck. Battle on the far boards. Chris Boylan rips it out of the zone. Power play, we can ice this puck. It's okay. Rudy Lamb picks it up for another rush. We are shorthanded here. Blizzard are shorthanded. Rudy Lamb takes point. Let's see what he does. Takes it to the middle. Looks for the open man. Rips it from a sad angle. Still in bounds though. Low slot. Still puck life. Ooh, wide open man. Boylan takes it out. Chris Boylan just apparently accidentally ran 14 miles the other day. Number 5. This guy's an athletic freak. Ah! He loses the ball, still has it. His gears falling off. It's Darren Treves. This guy's a pimp. Nice little flip over that puck. Over that stick. Oh, this puck is loose. Shoot. Wide open net, no opportunity achieved. Still shorthanded for 15 seconds. Nice rush made. Gotta get some more shots. Boylan kind of bobbled the ball here. 8 seconds here left in the opportunity. A fruitless power play. Oh, whiff. Whiffed by Frankie Talvito. All right, Sauer's going to rush on this offensive share. All right, clean play there. Molina's carrying it over to 3. Ooh, gets sticked down very easily by the goaltender. He was all over that one. All right, onside play over to Polinas. Shot attempt deflected by the defenseman painfully. Nice keep over there by Stillman. Gets it deep in the zone. Defender misses it. Puck's still alive. Let's try it again, Aaron. Puck's still deep. Puck's still deep. Oh, up in the net here. All right, we'll have a face-off deep in the Knightmare zone. Going with speed. Pulling up really quickly at the blue line is a really good way to carry the ski out. But oh, we have a goal! I think that was Sundstrom off of his stick, off of the goalie gear into the net. I do not believe that 24 touched it, but I could be mistaken. He's definitely in the right place, right time, just there for support. If you've got a rebound, you know Torres is going to tap that fucking in. Right, end of the third. We've got a 5-1 finishing score. I don't think that's accurate because there's just a goal. I don't know, man. End of game.